name is Kelly Miller. I'm the proud principal here at Lincoln Trail Elementary School, and tonight we are hosting our open house for the 25-26 school year. So our parents and families and students, they are getting to meet their teacher, most of them for the very first time. They are getting transportation information, they are getting car rider information. Our PTA is here selling some spirit wear to get them set and ready to go for their spirit days. Also, some are dropping off school supplies, some are getting to meet and see their friends in their classroom, and just it's a great way to start the school year so that they all feel at ease and they come to school on Thursday. All of our teachers are connecting with their families through our Rooms app, that is through the Hardin County Schools app. Our parents actually have an incentive tonight that if they show that they have the app downloaded here at the school before they leave, that they are entered into a free oil change. We've had a couple of local businesses to donate some items to encourage our parents to connect with our school through the Hardin County Schools app, and we're very appreciative of that. Our parents will receive a QR code from their classroom teacher. That QR code makes it super easy for them to connect to the Hardin County Schools app, and they download from there.
And I'm sure once they've got it up and going, it's pretty straightforward,
yes.
Not that difficult to use.
So absolutely, our teachers, once the parents have their app downloaded, our parents will connect through what we call Rooms, and they will start receiving messages from their teachers, because the teachers click on the students and they fall right into their class roster.
My name is Carrie Crocker, and I'm cafeteria manager here at Lincoln Trail.
Okay, so are there anything new and different this year for Florida Nutrition?
Nothing new. All kids still have breakfast and lunch for free. We just ask that you fill out the CEP form that comes home, or there's a QR code that you can scan to fill it out. Just household information to keep our program free.
But they are allowed to bring their own lunches if they desire.
Yes, yes, they can always bring a home lunch.
My name is Penny Best, and I'm a STEAM teacher here at Lincoln Trail Elementary School. And this evening we are encouraging parents to all download our brand new app on the App Store. It's actually the Hardin County Schools app. It's something new that we haven't done before. Everyone is doing an awesome job at getting that downloaded right here in front of us. It is a way to communicate with parents, with students. There are ways for the teachers to actually communicate with students. There are ways for teachers to actually push things out as a whole class, ways for teachers to communicate with parents, lots of different things. But the super awesome thing is that all they have to do as parents is just go to the App Store, scan a QR code, go to the Hardin County Facebook page, any of our social media sites, pull that straight up from the QR code from that, download it straight to your phone. It's a free app, and then you're ready, you're in business. It sends you a code. You're going to put in your phone number from your Infinite Campus, what is registered under your child, and it's going to send you a little code, and then you're in business. You're ready to go. Super easy. We have gotten tons of parents signed up in the very few 30 minutes that we've been working on that tonight, and we're in business. So I encourage every single parent to get signed up ASAP, because we're going to be rolling with this in Hardin County Schools this year.
It's the wave of the future, isn't it?
No, we're ready. I mean, it's here. The future's here. We're ready to go.
Jennifer Williams. I'm the Family Resource Coordinator here at Lincoln Trail Elementary. I'm so glad to kick off the 25-26 school year. Just a little bit about Family Resource Coordinators. We are here to help remove those non-academic barriers for children and families. And so some of the things that we do is help with dental services, school supplies, boys groups, girls groups, and then just working with those parents and families and helping be that liaison between home and school.
So if they need any more information, just contact you directly?
Absolutely. They can call the school at 270-737-7227, or they can email me directly at jennifer.williams@hardin.kyschools.us.